zurifx here, and I'm covering my tattoo. I'm using alcohol and I'm going to clean up the area. Next, I'm using an eyebrow pomade and I'm going to go directly onto the ink area part of my tattoo and cover it up and give it a good layer. Next, I'm using an orange corrector. You can use an orange or a red corrector to cancel out your tattoo. I'm going to go and blend it with my fingers, and I'm going to let it dry. Next, I'm going to apply foundation, and I'm going to cover that over and give it a good layer, and kind of don't wipe it, and just blend with your fingers, and that should be good. Taking the foundation a little lower and over to my chest to blend it with the rest of my chest area. And pretty much you are all done. I wouldn't recommend using powder because the powder will pick up most of the makeup and then your work was done for nothing. So no powder. If you want to spray it with setting spray or hairspray, that'd be good. Zuri, over and out. Bye.